Good morning, President of the World Diamond Council, Mr. Eli Isaacov, Minister of the Mines of South Africa, Susan Shabango, Minister of Mines and Mineral Development of Zimbabwe, Dr. Obert Umpov, Israel Diamond Institute and the host of the conference, Moti Gantz, President of the Israel Diamond Manufacturing Association, Bumi Traub, and my own representative in the diamond industry, the diamond controller, Shmuel Mordechai. Dignitaries, ambassadors, good morning. So I'm in charge of the diamonds in Israel, and for the simple reason we don't have our own mining minister, because we don't have mines in Israel. And, but on a lighter note, I'll tell you that we also thought that we don't have gas, and lo and behold, we do have a lot of it, so who knows, we might surprise you in the future. These are good days in Israel. The direction is very good, a lot of momentum. We recently had remarkable elections for the first time in many, many years. We're bridging the domestic gaps within Israel between Arabs and Jews, between religious and secular, and all focusing on getting the economy up and running and strengthening and opening Israel, reducing regulation, and I think we're going to expect a massive economic boom in the upcoming years. This is very good news in Israel. I think whoever walks around can almost feel the atmosphere in the air. We take diamond seriously. I mean, we are the Jewish state, and I'm very proud that Israel was the very first place to have the Kimberley certificate issued in the world, and I'm proud of it. We're also very focused in the near future in reducing regulation and barriers. Within a few months, we're going to complete the process where when we have incoming diamonds, we'll only take samples rather than go through every single batch, and that'll mean a quicker release at the ports and inward, and it means less interface with the Israeli regulator, and that's always good. We're also in discussions about reducing the diamond fee in Israel in order, again, to give another boost. Another piece of good news in Israel is over the next few years, we're going to see a massive influx of a group in Israel, the ultra-religious Jews, which for many years have been a separate part of Israel, and we're integrating it into the labor environment, so they're going to start working, and one of our goals is to get them heavily involved in the diamond industry, where we believe they'll have a competitive advantage, and to turn Israel into even more than it is today, which is a lot. So these are some of the things that are planned in Israel, but again, I want to emphasize Israel, whose economy already is booming today, certainly compared to what's going on in the world. We've got almost full employment in Israel. When we unleash the regulations and the over-bureaucracy in Israel, and this is going to take place over the next couple of years, Israel is going to become one of the most exciting places in the world to do business. So I welcome you all. I thank you for coming over to our wonderful state. I urge you, when you finish the very important meetings here, go see Jerusalem. In fact, tomorrow is the annual Jerusalem Day. Okay, so if you're staying around, Tuesday and Wednesday actually, Tuesday evening and Wednesday is the Jerusalem Day in Israel, with special events all around. Enjoy Israel. Thank you very much.